Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now let us see question number 11. Right? Construct a triangle. Construct a triangle of sides 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Then construct a triangle. Construct a triangle similar to it. Similar to it. Whose sides are, so here there is no full stop. Whose sides are 2 by 3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. The first triangle. This is the given question. Here let us start the construction. Before that, we are going to divide this space into two parts, in which in one part we are going to do the construction and other part is for steps of construction. So here let us divide this space into two parts. Right. Now here this place I am going to use it for construction. And here this is for steps of construction. This place is for steps of construction. Let us start now. The first one is that construct a triangle ABC. Construct a triangle ABC with the given measurements. As follows. Means in the question measurements are given clearly. So let us consider here AB I am taking as 5 centimeter, BC as 6 centimeter and AC or CJ as 4 centimeter. So first let us construct the triangle. So first I am going to draw the base of the triangle that I am taking as BC here. So first here BC is 6 centimeter. So let us construct. See, it indicates 0 to 6. So this is 6. So first let us draw a line segment of line the base is 6 centimeter. Actually here these all the steps of construction triangle is not required. Okay, that will be there in the lower classes. Lower class in 6th and 7th class or 8th class we will be learning how to construct triangle. So here in single step we can write this, but here we have to do. And here for AB 5 centimeter, as here I am taking, observe carefully, see it is 0 and 5. This is for, it is 5. This is for AB and another one is 4. See here, this is 4. Now I am going to measure with the help of compass. So here let us move it little bit. Okay, observe carefully here. See this indicates 5. Here every is very important. Yes, so here that is AB. So from B I cut an arc. Sorry, from B I cut an arc. Right. Now from C I should have 4 centimeter. I already have measured this one earlier. So this is 4. So from C this is 4. Where both meet each other, that can be taken as A. See, this is the point. This is the point of intersection. Now let us join AB. A and B. Let us join AC also. Right. Now triangle ABC is ready. Now the thing is that here, see, this full construction we have written as one step, and the second one is here. Second step is construct an acute angle. Construct an acute angle, that is CBX. Angle CBX below the line BC. We can write below BC. Below BC we have to construct one acute angle. See, here if you keep the line scale straight, if you draw one straight line, that is 90 degrees. If you keep the scale like this, that is more than 90 degrees, this angle. So we need here less than 90. So here I am going to keep an acute angle like this. So from B, of any angle you can take, but that should be less than 90, that's all. So here I am going to take this ray as BX. So here, that is the reason here I mentioned this as angle CBX. Now let us write the next step as, let us go to the required ratio. Since the required ratio is, since the required ratio is 2/3, here you observe, in these two, which is bigger? 3 is bigger. So here let us mark 3 equal arcs. So let us write mark 3 equal arcs, 3 equal arcs on the ray BX, on the ray BX, on this ray, such that there is a condition that, as we have mentioned here, equal arcs. So here let us construct 3 equal arcs by taking B as center. See here, the first one is that, here I am getting, this is the first arc, and here this is, here this is the second arc, and this is the third arc. So here let us label them as, this point as you are coming from B, this as B1, B2 and then B3, right. Now here, such that here condition is the distance between B1 should be equal to B1 B2, that should be equal to B2 B3. Now let us see next step, that is, here you have, see, once you observe carefully, the required ratio is 2/3. We have used 3 for the 3 equal arcs. So far here we haven't used 2. So actually now what we need to do here, first, by the earlier construction we have joined B2 to C. Here try to understand that 2/3, the given required ratio is 2/3. Since the ratio is 2/3, when you divide this, you will get this is less than 1. less than 1 in the sense the new triangle is smaller than the actual triangle. For example, here if you join here B2 to C, then from B3 you have to draw one perpendicular parallel line. Then this B3 will be here, then C dash will come here, then from here one more parallel, A dash will come here. Then A dash B C dash will be bigger than ABC. But according to the scale factor, A dash B C dash should be smaller than ABC. Hope you are understanding. I repeat, for example, here two things are there, children. Either we have to join B2 or B3 to C, anyone. If we join B2, then what happens? From B3 you have to draw one parallel line to B2C, so that will be coming here out of the triangle, and this is C dash. From C dash you have to draw one more line, that is here A dash comes. So here the A dash B C dash is the new triangle that is bigger than the original triangle. But according to the scale factor, the new triangle should be smaller. So here, that is the reason. Here don't be confused by joining here B2C. Here you join B3C. If you join B3C, let us see what happens. Join B3C. Don't join B2C here. Right. So here, let us write the construction, the step as join B3C. Now what we need to do? Next step is draw B2C dash parallel to B3C. B2C dash, that is parallel to B3C, where C dash is a point, that is point of intersection of B2 on BC. So it is a point on BC. It is a point on BC. So here now our duty to construct a parallel line. So let us take the set squares. Now as we need, this is the required line, this is the given line, so let us keep the set square here. Right. Now let us consider another set square. I am making it here 180 degrees. Right, 180 degrees. You observe here there is no gap at all. Right. If any gap is there, once it is fixed upper one, we have to move the lower set square only, but don't move the upper set square at all. This lower set square is to be adjusted. Suppose this gap is there, don't bring the upper one, you bring the lower one to the closer. So here you observe. Right. Now here you see this line, and here this is 1 minute, 1 second. Okay, right. So now here let us draw a parallel line to B3C from B2. So here let us move it back, hold the lower set square carefully, and here move it to here. Now here this is the position where we have to take a pause, remove this lower one, and from B2 we have to draw a parallel line. Here these two are parallel. This point, consider this as C dash. Right. Now here let us see next step. Now let us see next step, that is draw C dash A dash, C dash A dash, that is parallel to CA, where A dash is a point on BA or AB, however you write, it is correct. Now here let us draw one more parallel line, that is parallel to CA from C dash. So here let us keep this set square here. Right, and adjust the lower set square. Right. Now see here it maintains 180 degrees. You hold it tightly, you move little bit back upper one, so that here. So here let us take a small pause, and from this C dash, little bit, okay, from this C dash let us draw a parallel line now. So here let us move the set squares aside. here you observe this point can be taken as A dash. Here these two arrow marks indicate that these two are parallel, right? Now here hence A dash B C dash, A dash B C dash is the required triangle. Now here let us see the verification, which is very important for us. So here now let us see verification here. For verification, here we need to measure certain values. The values are, here you see first A dash B is to be measured, A dash B, and we have to check whether it is 2 by 3 times AB or not. 2 by 3 times AB. Same way BC dash is to be checked and it should be compared with 2 by 3 times BC. Same way C dash A dash is to be checked. It should be 2 by 3 times CA. Now let us divide them carefully. Actually here this point is very important in the construction. Right. Right. Now we measure these values. Let us see A dash B. Right. Now A dash B. A dash B. This is 1, 2, 3. After 3.1, 3.2, 3.3. This match with 3.3. So here we got A dash B as 3.3 centimeter. Let us check here 2 by 3 times AB. Here AB we have taken as 5 centimeter. So it is 5 centimeter. 2 5s are 10. 10 by 3. 10 by 3 centimeter. Nothing but 3.3 if you simplify. So these two are equal. Now let us measure BC dash. BC dash. Here you see this is 1, 2, 3, 4. BC dash here we got as 4 centimeter. So BC dash has 4 centimeter. Let us verify 2 by 3 times BC. BC is 6. So here I am taking 6 centimeter. Now here on cancellation, here 3 into 2 is 6. So 3 2s are 6 centimeter. 2 2s are here 4 centimeter. See, this also matched. Now CA dash. CA dash. So here let us measure CA dash. See, observe carefully. This is 1, 2, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, right? C dash A dash is 2.7. So let us write C dash A dash 2.7 centimeter. Let us verify 2 by 3 times CA. CA, that's what AC, that is 4. So 4 centimeter. So 2 4s are 8 centimeter by 3. 8 by 3 is 3 2s are 6, 2.66. When you take only one decimal, it is 2.7 centimeter, because that is more than 5. 1 can be added here, it can be raised by 1. So 2.7 centimeter. Now let us observe the conclusions. Here you see this 3.3 centimeter is equal to this 3.3 centimeter, right? Here 4 centimeter equal to this 4 centimeter, and 2.7 centimeter is equal to this 2.7 centimeter. So as I do not have place here, I am writing here. Now let us observe carefully. Here therefore we got 3.3 means A dash B. A dash B is equal to 3.3 is 2 by 3 AB. 2 by 3 times AB. This is one conclusion. And 4 is BC dash. BC dash is equal to, this 4 is 2 by 3 BC. 2 by 3 BC. And the last one, 2 points on C dash A dash. C dash A dash is equal to 2 by 3 CA. 2 by 3 CA. Let us bring AB here below. So it becomes A dash B by AB, that is 2 by 3. And here we get BC dash by BC is also 2 by 3. And here C dash A dash by CA is also 2 by 3. So here say all the ratios are equal. So we can say A dash B by AB is BC dash by BC is equal to C dash A dash by CA. All are equal to a constant K, where K is a 2 by 3 is also called a scale factor. It's a scale factor, right? It is a scale factor. Now here with this we can say that, see, the corresponding sides of A dash BC dash and ABC both are in the same ratio. When the corresponding sides are in the same ratio by SSS congruence axiom, we can say that triangle A dash BC dash is similar to triangle ABC, and whose scale factor is 2 by 3. So here you see we have to construct a triangle, construct another triangle that is similar to this triangle. So these two are similar, where the scale factor is 2 by 3, that is also shown here. Therefore here it is hence proved or hence constructed. We can add hence verified also. So with this 11th problem gets completed.